Good morning. Today you have a speaking test.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, now tell me, what is your name?
My name is Tiến Minh.
My name is Phương Nhi.
Right. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
I'm 6 years old too.
Good. Which class are you in?
I'm in class 1A4.
I'm in class 1A4 too.
Now I will make an example with Ming. What toys do you have?
I have a teddy bear.
Now you will have 2 minutes to ask and answer each other. And each of you will ask 2 questions.
Okay.
What letter is this?
M.
It's a letter M. M is for mouse.
Very good.
How many cars do you have?
I have 9 cars. What is this? This is my kitchen.
Good job.
Now it's Phương Nhi's turn. Ask Ming.
What letter is this?
It's letter M. M is for mouth. How many balls do you have?
I have 8 balls.
What is this? This is my bedroom.
That is the end.
Thank you, teacher.